Hello, folks. Welcome back to this edition of Ask Lawyer John. All right, so just wanted to discuss a couple of things here. I picked up earlier today. I had court in Chatsworth Courthouse up there, and basically it was a collections case. I was representing the defendant in this particular case. Small case, approximately $4,000 as far as the debt that's owed. And it's in this day and age, I unfortunately do not get the opportunity to do a lot of smaller cases just because of my caseload and the types of cases I litigate. However, this is a very good family. The story is very touching. So it was something I had to take on and represent this debtor who had gotten into a situation a little while back and needed some assistance to get out of that situation. So I went to court. Should have been pretty straightforward. The other side actually didn't really oppose the motion that we had made to get this debt taken care of. And however, the judge was basically bending over backwards to give them an opportunity to oppose the very solid motion that I had made to get rid of this debt. So what happened was, and here's the lesson. The question is, for Ask Lawyer John, is what drives you? What drives me is I do not take no for an answer. The judge was getting ready to continue the hearing to give the other side an opportunity to fully prepare, basically do all their work and unreasonably to my client, be fair to the other side when this clearly was on them and they had just completely blown the matter. However, I said very politely, obviously, I talked to the judge, I cited the CCP sections, I indicated that it would be akin to giving the other side two bites of the same apple. So essentially, even though the judge he had scheduled everything to continue the matter, he had given dates, he had picked dates, he had said essentially, he had given us extra work too on top of all this on a very small case. Again, I do not do these small cases very often, only basically on a pro bono type of basis for very needy or worthy causes. The judge was ready to rule. I went through the entire process and I argued my case and essentially ended up winning the motion for my client. Again, my client should have won. The other side's problem is not necessarily my client's problem. And the judge wisely at the end, realizing that my client's position is solid, we ended up winning from my clients. Again, wonderful people. Why do I do the things I do? Particularly for those reasons. Ask Lawyer John. What is the question? The question is, why do you do the things you do? Because you do not take no for an answer. If you believe in your position, if you have a just position, keep arguing it, keep hammering it away. You will persevere. You will win. I actually ended up using this as a lesson for my kids. I shared with them right after I picked them up from school earlier today after court. And basically I shared with them the importance of perseverance, believing in your position, fighting for your rights, and doing what you know is right. Pass it forward, folks. Very important. To me, that lesson I was able to teach my kids based on this particular situation is worth whatever it was that I lost as far as income is concerned for handling this case. Again, folks, believe in what you believe in. If you are right, fight for it. If you're just, you will persevere. You will win in one way or another.